Hello, hi YouTube. Today I bring the most amazing Wi-Fi range extender, and this thing I order from gearbest.com. You can have a look. So this device can extend your Wi-Fi signal. Actually, the use of this device is especially in your home or in your office, because if the access point, this is your access point, the device, the router, if this is far, so you can place this device and this will extend the signal. Okay, and this kind of devices is in need of each and everyone nowadays, because we have Wi-Fi and we have to extend the range, because there are some dead spots where signals will not reach. So you can check, guys. Now let me open the box and I will show you what is inside. And I ordered this thing from Gearbest from around $15. So let me check how good this device is and see. So this is the box, and here you can see the device. So let me open this device and you will see. Wow, so this comes, the packet comes, this is the device, the extender, the range extender. Wow, it's very nice. See, just have a look. Oh, this is good plastic, you know, very good quality. So we have to concern about the working, not the material. So this there are two antennas like this, so they can take the signal, receive this device, receive the signal, and then boost the signal. Okay, so I will check this thing, and what else in the box I will show you guys. There is nothing, only this manual. So there's a nice user manual, you can look, guys. So in this way I will show you how to work. So I will show you the process, how this thing will work, because otherwise you have to read this carefully. But I will show you guys and I will explain each and everything. This is the user manual. This is very nice, it's looking detailed and it's a very complete manual. So this is the device. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hello, so now guys, I'm back and I'm here to check like how to work, how to operate. And this is a little bit difficult, but I will show you guys all the steps how to configure this range extender. So now you guys can see right now this is my device, and I will show you my access point. See here, you can have a look. This is my router or my access point, which is located here. And now I will move little bit far from this room. So I will go somewhere else in the office, and this is my office, and I'm going far, more. Maybe I'm in third or fourth room. You can see that room, the device means the router was there. Okay, now I'm here in this room, and here I can see this is another classroom. And now here I will check the signal, I will check the signal status. So now you can see, guys, the signals are, see, this is the reality. So I'm a little bit far from my router, from my access point, and you can see only one bar, hardly one bar is coming. So now at this situation we have to test this guy, the Wi-Fi extender. Either this will increase this low signal to 2 bars or 3 bars. So let me check. So now I will show you how to configure. So for configuring this thing, what you need this is a USB charger, and this can give you 5 volt. This is the the USB charger for the phones or for tablet. So you just need to place just like this, guys, and then you can place this thing in the power. So I will show you guys. So here, this is the power, and let's go. Hi guys, so now I will show you how to configure this device. You can see this is connected with the USB charger, and this is a 5 volt, and now this is blinking, means this is on. And after this connection, you have to connect this device with your mobile or with your computer or whatever device you have. So now you can see this is my mobile, and you can see here this Wi-Fi plus. See this thing, this Wi-Fi plus, this is the connection for that range extender, the device. So what I will do, I will hit to connect, and then you can see is open, just select connect. Okay, so now it's obtaining IP address, blah 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 blah, and it's connected. And after this, what you need, you just need to go back and go to your browser. Let's see, this is my browser, is Chrome, and then here you have to type this domain name, the URL usbwifi.cn. see this one, usbwifi.cn. just click, and once you click, so this window will open, and in this window it will show all the available Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is CID2, this is my wireless connection, this is my router SSID name, which is placed in another room. So what I will do, I will click on that, and then I have to you can put any extended networks SSID. This is the new name, because this range extended will use this as a new name after the extension, after this increase in the signal. That's all. So now you need the password. This is the password of my router. Okay, so now I will put the password. Just a minute, guys. It's my secret password. Okay, and then after the password you have to click on OK. See, click on OK, and then range extender will restart. Please connect to the CID2 plus after OK. So now you have to click OK. So this will create a connection with, now see, it's extending, and this will create a connection with this device, with this range extender, to my router, which is placed in the third or second room, which is a little bit far. So this thing simply extend the signal of the weak signal, and it still is doing the the work, so you can see extending 43%, 46%, blah 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 blah. So once this process will finish, this the router will, this range extended will automatically restart, and then we can see how this thing will work. 70%, 72. Let me check, guys. It's done. Yes. Please observe the LED indicator. If the LED is blue, blinking blue, the extender is connected to the router and it is in good location, blah blah. That means if the LED is blue, that means things are fine. If LED is red, there's some problem. So let me check. Either the LED is blue or is red. It's still red, but maybe need some time. And need some time. Now guys, yes, so now it's blue, is working. So now let me check the Wi-Fi signal and all these things. So I will turn on and off my Wi-Fi and I will see. Yeah, see, CID2 plus. This is the Wi-Fi, and you can see the bars is full, and this is the Wi-Fi which is reaching here in this room. You can see, you will get the idea. And now I will click on that and I will select connect. Authenticating, there's some problem in the password thing, so let me put the password again. Connect. Yes, obtaining IP errors, blah blah. Oh my god, look at guys, see the full bars. And I hope you like this video. Now check guys, this is full. This is what I want. So this range extender increase the signal strength. Now this is full bar. So guys, this is a very nice product and you can have a look. This is working here and you can see this is the CID2. This is the original signal which is coming in this room, and this is the extended signal. This is the extended signal, CID2 plus, and this is the old signal. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I ordered this thing from Gearbest. Thank you guys.